likes to say.
Oh my god, it's hilarious from the shot. He looks so big. He looks completely different.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Yay!
Honey, this is a terrible angle. On this camera, you look so different. Say hi. You say dada? You look pretty uncomfortable, and that's...
Who, me or him?
him.
He seems to be okay.
You should see how different this camera is making him look than what he actually looks like. He looks like...
Grab that.
Mom?
No, we should daddy. Here's a lucky.
Can you say good morning? Good morning.
If it was a good morning, you would have slept till 8. Here,
That'll never happen.